Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel toidylandcloud.com. Today I want to share with you a small tip how to manage your Office 365 on the admin portal. As you know that you manage Office 365 on the portal, the default user is replaced by the ID. If you want to see the user, exactly the user display on the report, you cannot know who is this user. So in my tip, I will show you how to convert the user ID to the real user by email address. You will see the exactly username. Okay, let's go.
On the Microsoft 365 Admin Center, you can check the user ID. For example, you want to check the user usage service they are using right now. For example, OneDrive, email, Team, or whatever. We can go to this report and see the users. But for example, I go to this report. I want to see who is using this service. For example, you see that the username, but we cannot know who is this, and we don't know. Yes. And the other service is the same. I will try to go to other service. For example, I go to email. I cannot know who is this. Yeah, because the default is the user ID. Okay, now we will change this ID to the username so we can know who is this user. We are going to organize org settings. Okay, we can select the report. Okay, we going down and we find the report. In this report, we will unstick this option. We will unstick this one and save it. Okay, now we go back to use it and see. Okay, now I go back the email. Okay, now we can see the username is displayed by the real username now, the email, the account on 365. From this report, you can easily to see who is using this service and what they are doing. Okay.
I hope that with this small tip, it is very useful for you to manage your Office 365 on your organization and your company. I hope that you like this tip. Please give me a like, share, or you press the subscribe. Please hit the bell so in next video or clip, YouTube will notify you. Thank you for your watching. See you in the next video.